Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to delete empty rows at the bottom of your Google Sheet, step by step. I'm working in Google Sheets in the browser. The process is the same whether you're on Windows or Mac. First, you need to find where your actual data ends. Click on any cell in the first row of your data. Let's say A1. Now press Ctrl and down arrow together if you're on Windows, or Command and down arrow if you're on Mac. This jumps you straight to the last row that has data in it. Your cursor will land on something like row 250 if that's where your data ends. Now click on the row number for the first empty row below your data. So if your last row of data is row 250, click on the number 251 on the far left side of the sheet. The entire row will highlight when you click it. Here's the important part. With that first empty row selected, press and hold Ctrl and Shift together, then tap the down arrow key once. On Mac, that's Command and Shift, then down arrow. This extends your selection all the way down to the bottom of the sheet. You'll see all those empty rows highlighted now. Right-click anywhere on the selected row numbers on the left side. A menu pops up with several options. Click on the one that says Delete Rows, and it'll show you the range it's about to delete. Something like Delete Rows 251 to 10,000. Click that option and Google Sheets will remove all those rows. You'll notice it probably leaves a few hundred blank rows at the bottom anyway. That's completely normal. Sheets automatically keeps a small buffer, so you've got space to add new data without having to manually insert rows every time. This small buffer won't slow your sheet down like tens of thousands of extra rows would. If you do need to add more rows later, you can always insert them, but for day-to-day use, that buffer is actually helpful. Let me know if this worked for you.